Hello mga ka-locals! What's new? We just visited the perfect island paradise for healing and relaxation with a sunset view in Guimaras Island. Plus, you will get to experience a VIP treatment on their launching of their premier wellness and spa mga ka-locals. The moment we arrived mga ka-locals, we had our breakfast to this amazing and wonderful view. Before we walk you through to the main house where we will stay, nag-island hopping kami anay and sunset cruise as well as snorkeling and crystal kayaking. We went to a secluded island and some amazing beaches. And also mga ka-locals, you must try their newly launched wellness and spa where you can have a food spa, massage, facial, kag iban pa. After our spa and island hopping, of course, they prepare our lunch with the amazing and stunning view and setup. Now, I will walk you through to their air-conditioned villa, which they have Starlink Wi-Fi, which is high-speed, dining room, living room, and kitchen, 3 bedrooms with stunning sea and sunset views. They also have an area mga ka-locals where you can have your intentions through prayer with San Roque. They have infinity pool, lush gardens and mangroves, outdoor decks, and alfresco dining, and their newest wooden deck area. And also they have a natural pool mga ka-locals. This island resort mga ka-locals is really perfect for wellness, spiritual healing, meditation, yoga sessions, and more. You can bring your family, friends, which is really perfect for your events and relaxation. And during our last day, we had our spa again. This is truly a wonderful experience in an island where you can inhale a fresh air. So if you want to experience this mga ka-locals, just message La Roca Private Vacation Villa located at Nueva Valencia, Guimaras Island, Western Visayas.